cover Punyo Sumbrada, which is a 4 count. So it looks like this. Your partner throws a thrust, which you parry across. You then check the hand, and now you're hitting with the punyo, okay, the butt end of the stick. This is like going straight for the face of the temple. From here, your then partner will then stop and check this. As they check it, you're then going to do then a witik. So if she doesn't check this, straight here with the strike straight away. What's going to happen from here is she's going to roof block this. So it's a reverse roof block from here. Then from there, what I'm going to do is then I'm going to destroy the hand. I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to clear it down, moving my leg, because if I don't, I hit myself with the own stick. Now what you'll be doing from here is this would now be a disarm, and this would now be smashing the hand, so now the stick would drop. Okay, as soon as this is being hit, that would stop. And then from there, what happens is you go thrusting. Because it's continuation, it's a drill to allow me to learn the blocking in the counters and for your partner to also learn the blocking in counters. So from here, it goes into a continuous flow. So from here, once again, when we're bringing this down, we won't hit the knuckles, we'll hit the stick. So as you draw this down, we hit the stick, but in reality, we're hitting the hand. So we do this again. We have thrust, punyo strike, witik, reverse roof, clear, hit the stick. I then thrust, she gets to clear it. She then goes for the punyo strike. I then get from here to reverse roof block. She then clears the hand down, simulating hitting the stick, which should be hitting the hand. And then from there, it continues through. From here, it's 4 count because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And time. Okay, and that has been your Punyo Sumbrada.